We're excited to announce that soon a new layers view feature will be added to Divi. This feature will help you speed up your workflow by allowing you to access the layer structure of each and every design element on your page. Here's what you can expect. The layers view of every design element on your page will be easy to access, but won't show up unless you actually want it to. The only thing you'll have to do is right-click any design element on your page and select the layers view option for it to show up. You'll also be able to view the hierarchy of your layout by expanding and collapsing nested items whenever you need to. The layers view feature will allow you to easily drag and drop design elements and see the changes happen in real time. You can also directly drag a layer into the visual builder. This cross experience will not only save you time, but it will also help you maintain a great overview. The layers view feature will include a filter option as well, which will help you go from the entire layer structure to the layer structure of a specific design element in no time. You will also have the possibility to multi-select different design elements within your layers view at the same time. You'll be able to enjoy all of Divi's right-click options for each one of the layers in the layers view as well. This includes design efficiency features such as extend styles plus copy and paste. Whenever you hover an element in click interaction mode, the relevant element on your visual builder will be highlighted so you won't get the chance to mistake one section for another. We're looking forward to seeing you take advantage of this awesome feature that'll speed up your workflow in no time. Let us know what you think of this upcoming feature in the comments section below, and make sure you check back with us next week for more Divi awesomeness.